Today, I'm coming to you with a stocks and crypto update, and we're going to talk about how the two are crossing paths in many ways. If you're not already, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave comments throughout the video with your thoughts on what we're going to be going over today. All right, so now let's get started by talking about the connection between politics and crypto. Big names in the crypto world like Ripple, Kraken, and Coinbase have reportedly contributed millions to the Donald Trump inauguration fund. So these contributions have sparked some heated debates in the finance and political worlds. So, what's going on here? Let's talk about it. On the surface, these donations might seem like a generous show of support, but there's also the case that it could be strategic in order to create favoritism in the long run. So it is controversial. Crypto operate in a relatively new space. They often navigate unclear regulations. So, by contributing to these political events, they might be trying to build a relationship with lawmakers to ensure favorable regulations for their industry. So, critics are arguing that this could blur the lines between influence and outright lobbying. So, let's talk about a few examples. Ripple, the company behind XRP, which we will be talking more about in this video, has been the center of a high-profile legal battle with the SEC over whether XRP should be considered a security. Similar issues are going on with the companies that we've mentioned, Crackle and Coinbase. They face ongoing scrutiny over compliance with the US regulations. So these donations are seen as a way that they could be trying to gain goodwill or at least be trying to make sure that their voices are heard by those policy makers that are sitting at the table and making those decisions. So, for investors, this is a reminder that in the crypto space, it's not just about technology. So, these issues with politics and regulation can also impact the value of cryptocurrencies and the support that they are getting. So, share in the comments, what are your thoughts concerning these large donations? Do you think that there are ethical concerns related to them? So, now let's move on to some other stock and crypto related news that are crossing paths. So, this is Rumble stock up 89% on the day. The previous close was at $7.19. It's currently sitting at $13.66. So Rumble is another video sharing platform similar to YouTube, but it has been making waves because it is seen as the free speech haven for people to go and put out their content. Think of it as an alternative that those gamers and commentators and all the different type of creators can go to. Today, Rumble stock is skyrocketing thanks to a $775 million investment from Tether. And let's take a look at Tether. Tether is a cryptocurrency currently the number 3 here on the list, and it is 0.9988. Tether is known as the USDT. It is a stable coin in the crypto world. Unlike volatile cryptocurrencies, Tether is pegged to the US dollar, meaning that one Tether is designed to always equal $1. It is widely used to provide liquidity and stable crypto transactions. So with this massive funding from Tether is set to enhance its platform and expand its reach. This partnership is a big deal. It signals a deeper connection between the worlds of crypto and technology. Next up, let's talk about MicroStrategy, another company that is connected deeply to crypto. MicroStrategy is a company that has a large investment into Bitcoin. So, year to date, MicroStrategy is up over 400%. But like most of the market, it is currently down. Over the last 5 days, down about 16%. But they are making headlines because they have just acquired an additional 5,262 Bitcoin. So, why does this matter? MicroStrategy's aggressive Bitcoin strategy shows their strong belief in the long-term value of Bitcoin and as a digital asset. If Bitcoin price goes up, this could significantly boost MicroStrategy stock value. But remember, this kind of move isn't for the conservative investor. It's about their risk tolerance and their particular strategy. So let me know in the comments, do you think that MicroStrategy's huge investment in Bitcoin will pay off for them? And let's take a look at Bitcoin on the day, currently $93,390. So it has continued to pull back over the last week with a high of 107,000, nearly 108, down to about 93. Now let's talk about XRP, the fourth largest cryptocurrency. For those who are new to hearing about XRP, it is a cryptocurrency created by Ripple Labs. It is designed to make fast and affordable cross-border payments, and it's often used by banks and other payment providers. So, in the latest news, Ripple has recently transferred 90 million XRP tokens. The current price of Ripple is $2.17 as of the time that I am recording. Over the last week, let's take a look. It's been as high as 2.716 and on the low end, 1.989. So when large transfers like this occur, it is referred to as whale activity. Those 90 million XRP tokens, a transfer like this raises questions in the crypto world. Is Ripple gearing up for a new partnership? Are they funding internal operations? How could this impact the price of XRP? So the company hasn't shared exactly what they are doing, what is the reason for the transfer, and this occasionally occurs, these type of big moves between wallets. But like I was saying, it leaves us with the questions of what they are doing. Is it tied to ongoing business partnerships or other strategic decisions that they are making within the company? So things like this can influence the sentiment around this particular investment. Some may think that Ripple is preparing for something big, while others are concerned about a potential sell-off. So let's just run through these highlighted points here in this article I was taking a look at. Whales have moved 202.5 million in XRP to unknown wallets, suggesting accumulation. This indicates strong buyer interest or potential for a further upside. This highlights the token's long-term potential and strengthens the bullish case. But as I said, this could be seen in different ways by different investors. So I more recently, after the election, just begun investing into XRP. I did not get in at the 60-cent mark or anywhere below $1, but I see the long-term potential and that Ripple is focused on transforming the way that international payments work. So I have decided to build up a small position in my crypto portfolio. But with all investments, do your research and invest into what you are comfortable with and stay on top of the news for those stocks, crypto, whatever type of investments that you are holding long term. So I wanted to share in today's video current headlines and what is going on, but also highlight how stocks and crypto are crossing paths in many ways. Like we touched on with Rumble leveraging the investment from Tether, MicroStrategy increasing its position into Bitcoin. So think about how these connections can and will influence your own personal portfolio. And let's keep our eyes open to see how these corporations that are heavily invested into crypto, how their stock prices are influenced in the future as crypto potentially begins to soar, or if crypto could potentially hurt these stocks. We will see, and I will be here continuing to invest, having a diversified portfolio, and keeping up on the current news. So make sure to share in the comments, what are your thoughts on these trends? Are you invested into anything that we touched on today? XRP, MicroStrategy, Rumble? So if you're ready to open up a new account, check out my referral links for Webull and Moomoo. They will be in the description and pinned in the comments. And if you made it this far into the video, I hope you are subscribed, that you hit that like button, and you have that notification bell on to keep up with all of my upcoming videos and live streams. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.